Welcome to our post-trek Philmont Gear rundown. We're going to go through everything that I carried, why I carried it, some alternatives, some things you might want to consider. We're going to go through all of it. Stick around. There are a few ways to get to Philmont. Every single one of them involves packing your backpack somehow to get it there safely. I've seen people who just carry their backpack on a plane or train or in their car or whatever. If you're down with that risk, that's fine. I don't want baggage handlers to mess up my bag. I don't want to get a backpack strap snagged on something when I'm walking through a train terminal or bus terminal or getting out of the car. This is fine at the bus station, train station, airport, pulls around just fine. I'd like something with bigger wheels because base camp, the terrain can be a little bit rough, especially where there's gravel. Makes it a little hard to pull around. One way or another, you need a way to pack your gear. One of our guys on the crew used a big duffel bag that had backpack straps built into the bottom. That worked really well for him. Lots of different options. Check out our best budget backpacking gear article for more on that. Inside my bag, I had a few things before we get to the actual backpacking gear. On the way through base camp, you're gonna have to go to med check. So I had my original label and bottle for some medications I take. That's important. They need to see those things before they clear you to take those meds on the trail. I had some soaps and shampoos for use in the shower. At base camp, I also had a bag in here with clothes for base camp. I've taken that out, but I did leave my fancy travel bag here with a washcloth and towel, also for use in base camp, not to take on the trail.